All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here. Today we're in Uvita. We're going to be going to the market. The market is apparently down there. I've not yet been there. So we're in Punta Arenas province in a very popular town, Uvita. It's pretty busy. It's Saturday once again. So the market apparently is on Saturday and Wednesday. We'll start the video right up here where the turn is to get down there. This is a busy intersection, man. This is a busy intersection. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. As always, like the video, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Tickle the bell notification icon so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica. I travel a lot and I usually just stop places and film them so you can see what they look like. So here's the main road going north-south along the Pacific coast here in Costa Rica. What is that? Oh, is that like a dirt bike or something? That's cool. Looks electric. That's pretty cool. Okay, cool. So here, and going this way, you'd end up in Jaco. So you drive a couple hours that way, you're in Jaco. Man, people are driving fast here. So this is where you want to look for if you're trying to get to the market. This is the signage. This is the signage here. And then where are we at? Krill Souvenirs, Gift Shop, and Mystic Sushi. Man, that's pretty cool. So guys, before we start driving up here, let's talk about where Uvita is in relation to the San Jose airport.
All right, so here we are on the old Google Earth, zooming in from space all the way into Costa Rica. The San Jose airport's kind of right in the middle of the country there. There's San Jose, you can see it all built up. The airport is actually in Alajuela, right there in the middle of the screen. So to get out to Uvita, we will head west through the valleys there. You can see the mountains on either side. That direction will take you towards Punta Arenas, but then we're going to head south. Now, in the middle of this frame there is Jaco. We were just there doing some videos, and at Playa Herradura, right beside it. Then we're going to continue south down the main highway all the way. We'll go by Manuel Antonio and Capos there. This is a couple hours more of driving from Jaco before we get in towards Uvita. You can see the whale's tail there. The mountains all around behind Uvita. Very nice area. Now the drive down from where we started this video, just a couple minutes along a well-paved road, and it's a great opportunity to say, you can buy me a coffee. Someone bought me 3 coffees. Guys, I appreciate it very much. I can assure you I had 3 coffees on this trip to come film this market. There's a link on screen there you could scan. And there's a link in the description below, along with some other links for stuff that I find useful while I'm traveling in Costa Rica. You can get on Amazon. So this road, it's just probably about a minute drive from the main highway there. You're going to look for a sign over on the left for the market. You can see right where these 2 red cars are. It's right in the middle. This is where it is not so paved, but not so bad. I have a little car and just squeeze in there. This is a short drive on this dirt road. Just take it easy if you get a little car up to the parking area.
All right, cool. So here is the parking area at the market. Not too busy, not too filled up right now on a Saturday morning. Pretty all right. Of course, it started raining as I got here. Now, I just went in the market, walked around, checked it out a bit. There is, in fact, market things going on here. It's pretty busy, actually. Lots of vendors out. Lots of vendors out. So, which way are we going to go, guys? I don't know. Where do we want to go? Let's see what's shaking. Cool. So here's a bunch of boutique stuff. So it's kind of laid out in a grid. Some clothing. That looks like soap. Excellent. If I see anything interesting, we'll stop and take a looky-poo. Ooh, necklaces. Necklaces. I like it. Jewelry. Very nice stuff. I don't know what this stuff is. What are these? Hola. How are you? Good. It's okay to make a video?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Thank you.
It's made with teak wood.
Antique wood. You want to be in the video? What's your name?
Sophia.
Sophia, Josh. Nice to meet you. So tell me, Sophia, what is this antique wood?
Teak wood is a kind of wood growing
Oh,
here.
teak.
Yeah.
Teak. Okay. Yeah.
Growing here in Costa Rica.
Yeah. And what are these?
Hair sticks. Hair sticks.
Oh, hair sticks. I don't need those, but
Me
somebody
too.
might. Somebody might. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, those are
Very
cool.
strong.
Yeah. Wow.
Also, this kind of wood is very nice.
Oh, that is very nice. And that's an earring.
Yeah.
I don't need those either, but they're very nice. I'll show them for the video.
Thank you. And just to know, we cure all the wood with beeswax.
Beeswax.
Yeah,
Okay.
Only beeswax.
Only beeswax.
Beeswax is waterproof
Yep.
and also it's antibacterial. The stones are completely safe to use it.
To eat with too.
I think it is not the best to
Okay,
eat it,
I'm
but
just guessing.
like maybe for tablespoons.
Yeah,
like
okay,
savory
okay.
Food, honey, coffee.
Yeah. And what are these treated with? These ones?
These ones are iron wood.
Iron
Wood.
wood. Wow. Okay. And what are they coated with? They're like shiny.
And also with beeswax.
Beeswax.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
The furnace, the pores for the wood
Yeah.
sometimes absorb more water from
Ah,
others.
okay.
So these ones absorb
The menus.
menus.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
menus. Yeah. So it's thicker wood. It's harder.
Exactly.
So you can polish it. Very cool. Awesome. And these are like rings?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
This one is made with teak.
Teak. These
Yeah.
are teak. And all of this is yours too.
Yeah, and also that display
Oh,
is
do you want to show me this stuff too? Might as well. Let's do it. Are you here every day on the market, Wednesday and Saturday? Cool. Okay.
Uvita Market and
Tinamaste. Oh, okay.
Dominican Market.
Okay. Cool. What days are Tinamaste?
Uvita is in the mountains, like
Yeah, I know. I drive through there. What day is it on?
Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll go check that out. I'll see if you're there. Very cool. So what's over here? These are necklaces.
These ones are necklaces.
Okay.
I have a couple mushrooms.
Yeah.
This one sounds shuttles. This one's just made with crystals.
Crystals. Do they
Yeah.
have powers? Yeah.
This one's is the necklaces with non-crystals.
Yeah.
And the earrings.
Oh, and these are cool. Is this a sloth?
Yeah, this one's on handmade. Most people buy them like a Christmas tree.
Yeah. Oh,
This
cool.
one's is made with mango.
Yeah, it's like a Christmas tree ornament.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's brilliant.
thank you.
And how much is this, for example?
Normally I sold in $30.
$30? Okay.
Depends for the season.
Yeah. Fair enough. Cool. Well, I'll continue on. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Have a wonderful
You
rest
too.
of the day.
There you go, guys. Everybody's so nice here. Everybody's so nice. There's a bunch of food things. Oh, coffee. Excellent coffee. Crystals. There's some crystals. Coconut butter. Man, it's humid here, guys. It's humid here. Let's go this way. Mushrooms for microdosing. Okay. Interesting. What's all this stuff? Essential oils, it looks like. Hold on. And I just smelled chocolate. I just got a whiff. I got a waft. Oh, I think this is chocolate right here. Yeah, that's probably why. That's probably why, guys. We got chocolate going on. Cool. Oh, there's organic CBD. So not so much a farmer's market as I would call it, as like local market maybe. Like what would this be called? I'm simple, guys. I'm simple. Help me out. I think there's some farmers at the back that we'll go check out. Some necklaces. Let's look at these necklaces here. These are nice. Nice necklaces. But as I said, I'm not a jewelry guy. More wood. Oh, look at these masks. These are cool. Wow. Oh my goodness. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Haces estos? ¿Por mano? ¿Sí? ¿Y cuántos son? ¿Cuánto cuesta? $100. Cool.
Aquí son los precios de mi comunidad. El
Sí.
gift shop tiene diferentes.
Ah, sí. Más altos en gift shop.
Puede decir qué significa cada una de ellas.
Ajá.
Y esa indígena buruca del pueblo originario acá del sur.
Ah, sí, ok.
Único en Costa Rica.
Cool. Gracias. So guys, you could buy these here for $100 and they cost more in the gift shops. So that's a good hit. Those are pretty cool to take home, I'd say. Oh man. Jewelry, crystals, everything. Feathers, nice. I like feathers. There's Gregorio's Delights. Hola. Cookies. Guys, I'm on a diet. But if you're into cookies, I mean, I'm into cookies too, I'm lying. I'd break my diet just for some cookies, man. Oh my God. There's some smoothies, pineapples. I love pineapples, guys. Pineapples are my favorite things. Where would we go? Let's go this way. Where are we going? I don't even know where we're going. I'm so lost. Oh, so we've got some milk. Goat and cow milk. Cool. That's cow's ghee right there. Looks like yogurt. Fresh goat milk. Cool. And this down here is looks like artisan natural yogurt. I like it. Look at this furniture. Okay, so here's like, I guess, the food section. Yeah. Here's the farmer's aspect. Let's look at these tables first, though. So if you come to Costa Rica and you want to take a table back, I don't know how you do it. Maybe take the wood. How much is this table's $100? This table's $400. Oh, there's like mirrors and stuff. Cool. $60, $80 for the mirror. I'm going to assume that all this wood is Costa Rican wood. This is $150. This is a nice little coffee table. It's excellent. Recycled wood. Interesting. Let's look at the food stuff. Let's look at what's going on with the food here. Let's go, what do we got? I think those are oranges. Let's go over here. Well, these guys accept Bitcoin. Bitcoin accepted. So what kind of stuff we got? We got tiny little, I don't know what those are. Okay, I was going to say tomatoes, but I might be way off. I think those are tomatoes. I think baby tomatoes. We got some baby's corns. Asparagus, I know that is mushrooms. Incredible. What's in here? Meat. We've got meat stuff. There you go. There's a list of the meat. Pause the video there if you'd like. We got some cheeses here. Some cheeses. Hello, man. Gracias. There's some coffee. This is just like, I think that's coffee, but just like bagged up. Oh, these are interesting. That's interesting, man. Look at the girth on that banana. It's like a tuna can. You maybe want to cut that up before trying to eat it. Oh, what's it? Man, I kind of missed this. Dude, what are we doing here? Cool, goat's milk. Oh, churipo. This is from Churipo. Cabritas de Churipo. So this is all goat stuff, goat products. I guess from Churipo over by Perez Aladon. Hola, man. ¿Cómo le va? ¿Todo bien? ¿Hablas inglés o español? Poco. Estos son de Churipo. Perez Aladon. ¿Vives allá? Oh, wow, cool. ¿En qué parte?
Chimirol.
Chimirol. ¿Es cerca de Rivas?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, okay. How many goats do you have?
Yeah,
30. Wow, okay, cool.
Fresh
queso.
cheese, yeah. Fresh
Wow.
cheese. It's with herbs from my garden.
Oh, yeah. Herbs from your
Fresh
garden?
herbs, yeah.
Wow, cool, man. What's your name, brother? Daniel. Josh. Gusto, man. Gracias. Cool, guys. So check that out. Do you go to the market in Perez? San Isidro?
I'm the Wednesday, los jueves.
Jueves, yeah.
Delivery.
Delivery.
Yeah.
Okay, in Perez Aladon. Okay, cool. Gracias. There you go, guys. So I always ask if somebody speaks English just for the sake of the video so you guys don't have to listen to me struggle with my Spanish. There's a bunch of fruits and veggies. So on Thursdays he does deliveries. There you go. It's back here. There's some recycle shop. Empanadas over there. Some more pineapples. I love pineapples. Oh my god, dude. I'm such a pineapple fiend.
biggest
baby.
pear I've ever seen.
There's a baby there. Oh, dude, yeah, that kid just said that's the biggest pear he's ever seen. I think that's a soursop or something, or jackfruit. I don't know what that is, but if you guys know what that is, let me know. It's a massive thing. So once again, the girth on some of these things is just incredible. This is a cool stand. It's a cool stand, lots of wood stuff. Furniture. Used coffee bag. That's interesting. That could be like wall art. If you've got like a dark painted wall, you could put that just up as art. I like what I see here, guys. This is a cool market. Cafe. Oh my god, I love coffee so much, guys. I simply love coffee so much. We got samples going on here. Oh, it's like dips. Cool. Oh, okay. This has a sign. Okay. Organic ice cream banana. So I guess these are called ice cream bananas. I'm probably going to come buy some of those because I don't know what they are, and that looks interesting. Those are the girthy ones, once again. Cool. Oh, this guy's making stuff. Cool. Man, that's cool. That looks just delicious, bro. What is going on here? That looks so good. Oh, here's a bunch of herbs that you can burn. Guys, I hope I'm loitering enough on the stands to show you what's here. I think this is back where we started. Yeah, here's the wood. Here's the Costa Rica wood. I dig it. Cool, guys. So it looks like the rain is breaking. We're going to put the drone up and see what Uvita looks like from here, at least, from this area, from the sky.
So we will start this drone tour right at the market, guys. There it is from the air, showing the parking area. Big covered building. Really cool. Some cars leaving. Perfect for the shot. Thank you for driving at the moment when I had the drone up. Here's the road continuing on down towards the beach. You can see this is looking north. So this is looking back towards the north as it is. See, it's raining. It's raining a little bit here. We still got it going though. It's drizzling. Had to turn on the butter mode for this. Butter mode is it shoots butter on my fingers to keep those shots nice and smooth, nice and slick. Cleaned my fingers off for this one though. Just a nice little zoom on the whale's tail. So there's the national park there, right in the middle. You can walk out to the whale's tail. Would I walk out right now? I don't know. It looks like kind of high tide. Wouldn't want to get stuck out there on the whale's tail. You'd see a really nice beach. Really jungly down there. We've got a video down there before. Here's kind of the more built up area of Uvita. And as you can see, it's raining, right? It's afternoon, rains here in Costa Rica during the rainy season. The morning was pretty clear though. The drive-in was pretty clear, but of course it started, raining a little bit. As it will. You can see the mountains off in the distance, really cool. Here's some of that built up residential area down where the market is. So Uvita is a pretty interesting town. There's a lot of roads that go off in either direction with houses and accommodations options and shops, little boutique shops everywhere. It's a cool town. That intersection right there on the left of screen is where we started this video. So we're going to pan out towards the south here now. There you go. That's the main highway heading south. So the main highway cuts right through Uvita. And there you have it, guys. That is the tour of Uvita. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the bell notification for more. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.